All right, we're here with head coach Matt Hill ahead of NCAA National Championships. Coach, to have two guys get through, and have them be senior guys who have come in, what's that like to get pushed through multiple guys and guys that have kind of been through what these guys have been through to get here?
Well, for those two individuals, it's really cool to see them get to the NCAA Championships, especially after being not having someone here last year. We knew they're both nationally NCAA qualifier caliber guys, and we're excited for their chance to get out there and compete. But we knew all along they could do it. It's just sometimes bumps in the road during the season prohibit you to bring in a spot. But we went to the MAC Championships and showed the conference that we got some quality guys, and Jared and Colton have a lot of good wrestling ahead of them.
Both Jared and Colton brought up how hard everybody works in the room and the training. What do you think about those guys and then the other guys in the room as they've worked through this and the training that goes into being an NCAA qualifier?
Yeah, I mean it's a long, tough season. They both bought into Coach AJ and I's philosophy on being able to work hard, work smart, and be able to peak at the right time of the year. And they really bought into that. No one goes through a tough NCAA season without some injuries. Colton had, I think, over 40-some matches this year, so that's a lot of matches nowadays. With athletes, and it's good to see their work and their hard work coming to a realization that they're one of the best in the country, and they get to go show it this weekend.
What's a successful NCAA tournament look like for these two guys?
I'd say realistically, they go out and they win 4 matches at the NCAA Championships. Hopefully those 4 in the right time frame, and they're both on the podium at the end of the tournament. You will have to win more than 4 places sometimes. But make it to the quarterfinals, and Friday evening they're in the blood round and are able to place, or maybe they're in the semis. You never know. So that's a successful tournament. Jared, he had some adversity. He had an injury that was pretty tough for anybody to come back. So right now he's living that success as well. So it's fun to see.
You have a couple guys that have known each other for quite a while. How fun is that to have two guys that were roommates a freshman year somewhere else, and then come back and qualify for the NCAA tournament here at Edinboro?
Yeah, I mean we're doing well with getting guys from Pitt, obviously, and we understand that's the game that we're in, and those guys were really excited to come to Edinboro, and we were excited to give them opportunity to make the most of their last years of eligibility. But them guys, they kind of have a camaraderie amongst each other, and they're excited to go out there and compete. They've known each other since they were little kids, wrestling all through the ranks, and just like a lot of Western Pennsylvania kids are. And we're trying to get the best kids from Western Pennsylvania. That's pretty much every coach in the country is trying to do. So, but we're excited for these guys, and it's well deserved. And this is all the work's done. All the tough, grueling mornings and afternoons are done. It's time to go out there and shine.
All right, thanks, Coach, and good luck this weekend.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.